Fenugreek powder to spoon. Liquid milk 3 spoon. Mix well. Fenugreek cleanses the skin deeply. Honey. Fenugreek opens the pores of the skin and removes the dirt inside the skin very easily. Apply it on the entire face and neck except the eyes, and keep it for 15 or 20 minutes. This pack is very effective in reducing the signs of aging on the skin. This pack not only brightens the skin, but also removes dead skin and helps reduce various skin allergies, acne, etc. Massage gently, with a little water in your hands. Use 2/3 days a week. After a few days, you can easily understand the change. Wash thoroughly with lukewarm water.